Abney hand level, a hand surveying instrument designed to measure angles of elevation of depression expressed in degree or percent. Accidental error, an error due to combination of causes beyond the ability of an observer to control and for which it is impossible to make correction. Altimeters, an instrument used to measure height or altitude, graduated in feet or meters. Azimuth refers to the direction as given by the angle between the meridian and the line measured in a clockwise, usually reckoned from the south branch of the meridian. Backside, a site taken with the transit along the line of known direction to reference point, usually in the rear. Bearing, with the direction of any line with respect to a given meridian. Benchmark, fixed reference point whose location and elevation are known and serve as a reference for leveling work in a given locality. Chaining, the operation of measuring the horizontal or inclined distances with a tape. Chaining pin, a steel pin about 1 foot long used temporarily for making the location of the end of the tape as distances are to be measured. Clinometer, an instrument used for measuring vertical angles or slopes. Close traverse, a survey in which the traverse lines of close figure or when the two endpoints coincide. Compass, a hand-held instrument used in making rough survey line with reference to direction of a magnetic needle. Contour interval, a fixed vertical distance between two successive contour lines at different elevation. Crosshair, the line of sight composed of vertical and horizontal hair fastened to the reticle. Datum, a plane of reference where all other elevations are referred to. Deflection angle, the angle between a line and the line prolongation to the preceding line to the succeeding line. Departure, the horizontal component of traverse line, wherein the distance is multiplied by the sin of bearing angle of the line. Depression contour, a contour in which the elevation of adjacent contour line do not indicate in which condition is represented. Difference in elevation, the vertical distance between level surface. Differential leveling, the operation of determining difference in elevation of point some distance of the point near the surface of the earth, above or below an assumed level surface. Elevation, the vertical distance above or below. Some are arbitrarily assumed. Level surface or datum. Fieldwork, an activity of making and recording all measurement in the field. Flagman, a person whose duty is to hold the flag or range pole as directed by transitman. Foresight, a site taken with a level to a point, wherein the elevation of which is to be determined. Foresight distance, the horizontal distance from the center of the instrument to the rod where the foresight was taken. Geodetic surveying, a type of surveying which takes into account the shape of the earth, height of instrument, the elevation of the line of sight of the telescope when the instrument is leveled above the datum. Heliotrope, the position of the point to be sighted by means of sunlight reflected by an instrument. Horizontal distance, a distance measured along a level line.